Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick quesadillas. First, gather your ingredients: tortillas, cheese, and any fillings you love. Cooked chicken, black beans, or sautéed veggies work wonderfully. Also, have a non-stick pan and your favorite toppings ready to go. This simple meal comes together in just minutes, perfect for a busy day. Now, let's assemble your delicious quesadilla. Lightly grease a non-stick pan and heat it over medium heat. Place one tortilla flat in the pan. Sprinkle about 1/4 cup of your favorite shredded cheese evenly over the entire tortilla. Then, add your pre-cooked fillings, like chicken or beans, onto just 1/2 of the tortilla. Once the cheese starts to melt and the tortilla is slightly golden, it's time to fold. Carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the side with the fillings. Gently press down with a spatula to help it crisp up and ensure the cheese melts completely. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until golden brown and crispy. Your quick quesadilla is now ready. Carefully remove it from the pan and place it on a cutting board. Using a sharp knife, cut the quesadilla into 2 or 3 easy-to-handle wedges. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings, such as salsa, guacamole, or sour cream. Enjoy this simple, satisfying meal that you made in no time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.